My dad is terrible with computers, any kind of electronic devices, really, in the new age. And I find it really kind of weird because, you know, he's a product of the 50s, and, like, he grew up 60s, 70s, you know, no problems in that generation. And I look at him when he's trying to, you know, type something onto a computer Word document or, like, you know, a calculator or anything like that, really. And I'm like, Dad, when did they invent microwaves and, like, you know, TVs with remote controls and typewriters and shit? Can't you figure this out? It's just a big combination of all that shit into one. But I guess he can't, and I think the reason is it's because of the mouse. And I really just think that they think it's magic. You know, you move something with your hand in one place in the world, and something on a screen that just popped up in front of you when you turned it on, like a TV. I think it's just like they're moving shit on the TV and they don't understand it. Like, they don't understand what is entailed in an image, a digital image. But I also think the people who enjoy computers the most and that actually understand the mouse concept are also the people who enjoy Harry Potter books, which is the majority of the world, and that's why J.K. Rowling did such a great job and is so fucking rich.